I'm Sreetama and welcome back to my channel. So, last year around this time, I did a series on my channel. It is unnamed, but it was my birthday vlogs kind of series. So if you have any clever name for the series, do let me know in the comments. This year also, I am going to be doing this birthday vlog series because I'm going to be turning 17. Like, oh my god, that is... I still can't believe it that I'm going to be turning 17 in a year. I will be an adult. It's like a lot to comprehend for me, but whatever. So I thought this year also I'll be making the series and I'll be including few makeup looks, my birthday gifts, my birthday makeup haul, and obviously my birthday vlog. So the first video of this entire series is today's look. Which we are going to create is the Saraswati Pooja look, because Saraswati Pooja is literally the Valentine's Day for Bengalis, and what the irony, like Saraswati Pooja falls on my birthday. You guys believe the look which we are going to create today is not going to include any makeup brushes. Yes, you heard that right. I'm not going to use any makeup brushes. You'll need only one thing, that's a beauty sponge or a beauty blender. So if you want to know that how I achieve a beautiful glamorous look without any makeup brushes, then let's dive into this video. Starting off with some skincare, I'm using this serum from Jovee. It's their brightening serum. I'm just warming it with my palms and then just pressing it into my skin, tapping the product into my skin. It gets absorbed very well into my skin, giving me a luminous effect. Next, I'm taking the silicone based primer from Blue Heaven and applying it on my entire face using my fingers. This is a silicone based primer and just fills my pores perfectly, giving me a very smooth base to work with. Next, I'm going to be taking this foundation from Lakme. It's their Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation, and I'm going to be striping it all across my face using my fingers. And next, I'm going to be taking this beauty blender and blending the product into my face. I am dabbing the product, not rubbing or swiping it. It's very important that you dab and not rub it in, because your foundation may end up looking very cakey. So with small dabbing motions, I'm just pushing the foundation into my face. Next, I'm going to be grabbing this new Blue Heavens concealer. This is in the shade Caramel and this retails for ₹150. Now, I didn't like this concealer much. Like, it's extremely dark compared to my foundation. Like, it's almost orange, and it kind of overall made my under eyes look very dark. It has like a peachy undertone, so you can use it to color correct, but overall I didn't even like the texture and consistency of it because it just dried up very quick and I had a very hard time working with it. So I would suggest do not buy it. But yeah, I just somehow made it work with the foundation so that it looked, you know, aesthetically pleasing. Next, I'm going to be taking this Maybelline's Nude Nuance Creamy Matte Lipstick, and I'm using this as a cream blush because I think these nude shades look very pretty, very flattering on me as a blush. I also apply a little bit of it on my nose, and now I'm just blending the color into my skin using this beauty blender. And as you can see, I'm pushing the blush towards my hairline almost like a contour. I'm not bringing it to my apples because I have a round face, and bringing it to my apples just makes my face look fatter. So if you have a round face like mine, you can do the same trick. Next, I'm using this Wet n Wild's Hello Hero liquid highlighter and applying it on the highest points of my face, like the bridge of my nose, my cheekbones, cupid's bow, and chin. And again, I'm just using my same beauty blender to blend it in, and you can see this highlighter gives such a beautiful glow to my face. Like, it's literally, it's radiance, not even a glow. So it's literally like I'm glowing from within. So buy this highlighter, this is the best. Next, taking this Blue Heavens Walkfree eyebrow pencil, I'm gonna be drawing in my eyebrows. I'm creating small hair like strokes and then finally outlining the eyebrows. Now here's the fun part. I do not have a spoolie, and spoolie considers as a brush, so I'm going to be using a Q-tip and blending the product into the eyebrow. And I think the Q-tip worked fantastically for blending the product in. It looked very seamless, it didn't look harsh, and all in all, the brow looked very nice and bold. So this is a trick which you can use if you do not have a spoolie. Next, moving on to eyeshadow, I'm taking this Hilary Rhoda's palette and taking this brown shade. I'm going to be placing it on my entire eyelid, especially on my crease and outer corner. And I'm just blending it in with my fingers. After that, I'm also going to be taking a Q-tip and just blending it a little bit more so that it looks seamless. Again, from the same palette, I'm going to be taking this darker brown shade and applying it on my outer V just to intensify the thing. If you have makeup brushes, you can do the same process with a fluffy brush as well. But since I've taken a challenge not to use any makeup brushes, I'm using the Q-tip. And I think a Q-tip works just fine as well. Next, I'm going to be adding a pop of color using this blue color, and I'm just applying it on the innermost part of my eye, and this is called color blocking, and I really love this technique. And you can see it instantly like made my eyes so much brighter and popped them even more. I'm just blending the edges of the eyeshadow with the brown and with the Q-tip, and so that it looks more seamless and perfect. Finally, I'm taking this wine shade from the first palette and I'm going to be applying it on my lower waterline, giving my eyes some intensity. Finally, taking this bubbly pink shade, I'm going to be applying it in my inner corner to give it a pop, and I love a highlighted inner corner. Next, taking this Blue Heaven Walkfree mascara, I'm just applying the mascara on my upper lashes. I did not use them on my lower lashes, but to each their own, and this mascara just gives my lashes so much volume. This is the best. I quickly did the other eye off camera, and here is the complete eye look. Now for my lipstick, I'm making a nude lipstick cocktail. The first layer is this NY Base Super Matte lipstick in the shade Peppy Pear Sun, and on top of this I'm going to be applying the Blue Heavens Elegant Matte lipstick in the shade 11, and both of these together just look so beautiful. It's like almost like a terracotta kind of a color, and this is how my final look has turned out, you guys. It looks so beautiful, so glowy, so radiant, and I think it's all in all it's super wearable and doable. The blue kind of gives it like a pop and like an X factor, and here is just a clip of me randomly flipping my hair. So guys, this is the final look that I have come up with, and I am in love with this. This is like so dewy and glowy, and mind you, I only used a beauty sponge and some q-tips, and I love this color blocking. This is very easily doable and wearable as well. So if you like this look and if you like this video, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. And oh my gosh guys, we are super close to 400 subscribers. Like, thank you so much for that amazing response on that last short video of mine. I really appreciate it. Means a lot to me. And let's grow our family. Let's make it to 400. So please subscribe to my channel. It takes only a minute to subscribe. And I'll meet you in my next one, which is going to be after 3rd March, because as I said, I have my exams. So this video will be before like Saraswati Puja, and the rest will be after 3rd March. So I hope you all can adjust with that. And yeah, till then, stay home, stay safe, and lots of love. Bye.